Butt naked and cold.
Why you got?
Ooh, you didn't even know it was a birthday!
Hey guys, so I'm just making a quick video. First of all, the reason I'm dressed up right now. Hey guys, so I'm just making a quick video. First off, the reason I'm dressed up right now is because we have an elegant dinner tonight, which the first full day. So like we got on the boat yesterday and we had a pretty long day, but the first full day on the boat. Tonight's like the elegant dinner, so everybody dresses up and just like it's like a fun little elegant dinner. So that's why I'm dressed up. I don't usually dress like this, and you know what I mean? I don't. Unfortunately, I should. Anyways, but yeah, I just want to talk a second. So I know I mentioned earlier, I don't know if it was this morning or last night or when it was, but I talked about how I wasn't buying the Wi-Fi package and like how I'm basically not using my phone. Like I use it as a watch right now because I can't get any updates on it. And I've just started to realize that this has been a really, really refreshing trip for me. I haven't been just like checking my phone all the time. Like I get caught up, like I'm getting so much stuff on Snapchat right now because of the show. Getting a lot of people adding me on Instagram and just like a lot of messages on all my social media and a lot of texts. And just like there's so much going on in my life right now. It's been really nice to just be able to be in the moment right now, I guess. I'm kind of making a mental note. This is more for me. I'm making a mental note for myself in this video that moving forward, I'm going to try to make more time to just not use my phone. Like when I'm with good people, when I'm with the people I care about, my friends and my family, and just all those people, I think it's important to just be able to put down your phone and like distract the world out. Just ignore the world and just focus on who you're with and like actually what's happening in front of you and really engaging with that person. And that's what we've been able to do on this trip, which is why it's been so fun so far, because we're really just here with our friends, just like living life. And we're not worried about like what someone's doing on their Instagram in like another country or like what people are doing on Snapchat back home. Like we're just focused on being with our friends right now. So I don't know if you get anything from that, but for me it's been really nice, and I'm going to make a point in my life moving forward to just kind of just put away my phone, just turn off my phone, put it in my pocket, put it on sleep mode, whatever, and just like focus on who I'm with, and just like I think that's important. It's helped me a lot this trip, and it's made me feel really good. So hope it helps y'all. Also, really quick note, last night it was like, I don't know, 2 or 3 a.m. probably after the bar, and we were getting pizza, and this really nice girl came up to me and she was like, hey, are you from Deep Creek? And like she recognized me, and it was just really cool. And so Hannah, I believe that's your name, I'm sorry if it's not, I don't really remember everything, but Hannah, if you see this, if you're watching, shout out to Hannah. She was on the cruise, she was really nice, she was super sweet, and just like really cool girl, so shout out to Hannah. Everybody's dressed up now, not just me.
My casual workout outfit. My dish.
Alright, and next you some sharp. You know, look at this. Match one, okay? 1, 2. Yeah.
Wait, what? I'm so confused.
Traitor.
Does anyone?
She's a witch.
Can you take it away?
Yes, I don't want to.
Boy, if you don't.
2:30 a.m. Gotta be up at 6:45.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer.
Beginning of day 3, just landed at the Cayman Islands. It's like 7:30 a.m. Got back last night at like 4 something, so I didn't get a lot of sleep. I don't feel great right now, but we're getting ready right now.
Do you want to bring my long chip or yours?
And then
Okay.
we'll get on the islands
We'll bring mine.
and start doing things. And then I'll show you that. Alright, so we just got off the boat. It is 9 o'clock, 9 a.m. We just got off. We're obviously in Grand Cayman. We don't know where his family is. We don't know where anybody we know is. So it's just us 4, Colton, Keenan. So yeah, we're just going to try to find out where we need to go. I think we're just trying to find the beach. So we'll see. So needless to say, we made it to the beach. This is a
is gonna be the best day ever. It's gonna be the best day ever. The best day ever. Okay, super excited.
It's like Palms Beach.
Where's your mom?
Is that Christian Guzman?
Wow.
So I don't know what time it is right now. Probably like noon or 1 or something like that. But the beach is getting packed. So apparently we might get on the like hoverboard water thing. Not really sure what it's called, but someone will definitely film if I get on that. Stephanie Chug. She took like 3 sips.
Take a picture!
Well, first of all, I'm videoing, so.
Videoing, David? Really? Don't you mean filming? You beautiful, beautiful idiot.
Aw, thanks for playing nice.
Boy, if you don't.
Just woke up from an accidental nap, just watching TV, and I ended up asleep on the floor. Don't really know how that happened, but the beach makes me tired, so. But I ate some food and I didn't make it else, so.
I mean, I didn't know it was a video, or else I would have actually tried. Last one, make it break. Watch out.
Our playlist production of Amor Cubano. This is a beautiful, exhilarating, rhythmic sound.
That would have been cool. Come on! Put it on! You go.
You wake up late for school, man, you don't want to go. You ask your mom, please, but she still says no. You missed 2 classes and no homework. You gotta fight for your right to party.
So we woke up at 8:30. Okay, we were supposed to get off about 9:45. It is now 10:30.
You would take this lot.
They're not even boarded, and we're still waiting on like them to set up and all this stuff. So we're just sitting in the hall, not even our room, just sitting in the hall and wasting time basically until we can get on to the beach in Mexico, which looks like it's gonna be a while. So it's fun. How do you feel, Charlie?
Feeling pretty good, ready to get drunk, so just waiting to get off this.
Oh, we gotta go.
We made it to the beach. Hey. Hey. What do you want to tell the people?
Hi.
That's it? Okay. Back to you, Tom. Keep tanning your back. Keep tanning your back. Your chest is red. Tan your back. It's really red. Tan your back. Oh. Oh, damn. I mean, it's still kind of there.
You got a dick on your back. You do too.
You got it.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Answer the people. Answer the people.
See?
Say hi to the vlog. Hi.
Hola.
Everybody say hi.
What up?
What do you want to say for the views? Nothing? What?
Chicks dripping all over.
I'm not even wet. I haven't been in the pool in like 3 hours. Ew! Are you flirting with me?
Yep.
2, 1.
Take it.
I'm about to take it. Ready? 3, 2.
up, he took a nap, he's good. How do you feel, Stacy?
I feel good.
Stacy feels great. What's your drink of choice?
Pineapple Malibu.
Pineapple Malibu, every time. Okay, Sierra, how do you feel?
Pretty good.
Pretty good? Okay, if you had to tell the people one thing, what would you tell them?
I don't know, come to Mexico.
You heard it here first, Mexico.
Mexico!
Hey, this is my roommate, his name is Cameron. What's up? Tell the people what's up. Well, the people, what's up? Strawberry martinis, man. So finish it right now. If he finishes this, you gotta like and subscribe to this video. The whole thing. He finished it. Like and subscribe.
Hello. Successful day in Mexico. Everybody had fun. About to take a taxi back to the boat. Take a nap probably. It's all over again. Isn't that right, Charlie? So right now I think it's 8 o'clock. We got back from Mexico. We got back on the boat from Mexico at about, I want to say 5-ish, maybe 6. All my friends are still asleep. I just woke up and just like immediately just threw up a crap ton. So first time doing that, but I feel great now. I'm not really sure what to do. The ship is pretty empty. I think everybody's just throwing up or asleep. So I'm gonna go explore, I guess. So I just threw my cup across the hall. So Charlie's saying karaoke. I tried to get some clips of it. The audio is probably not great because I don't have a directional mic yet. And it was pretty loud in there, but hopefully I can put some footage of it in there. Proud of him for that because there was a lot of people, but yeah, it was pretty dope.
But you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure.
So sleeping last night was pretty difficult. The storm is still going. It's like 11 a.m. and I'm still having trouble walking. But all through the night, we'd literally just get like thrown out of bed. But also at some point last night, I lost my earrings. Not really sure when that happened, but I guess I'll just get new ones when we get back to America. It was honestly a really fun night. I like played a bunch of games with like some new people that we met on the boat. Made some really cool friends, and definitely made the best of it. Even though a lot happened last night. A friend couldn't get back into her room till like 4:30 a.m. So I had to help her get like a room key and like try to find her friends, and we couldn't find anybody. And the boat was like trying to kill us, but it's all good now, and today's gonna be good. So.
Yes. Well done.
What do you have to say to the people? I just want to film people stumbling. Oh, now everybody stop stumbling. Okay, let's do it. Oh shit. Oh my. We're just gonna.
Oh, that's scary.
Oh shit.
What are we on?
Just send it. Alright, Charlie is going to try to walk down the hall straight.
With my eyes. Wait.
Alright. In a second.
I try with my
No, you just not even. Dude, if you try with your eyes closed, you're gonna die. Alright, 3, 2, 1, close your eyes. It's actually kind of calm right now. Oh, never mind.
Nope. I don't know where the wall is.
There.
I don't know why I keep thinking there's a wall right here. But
There's not. I'll tell you. Ba 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 ba. Dude, look at this freaking. Ocean is not happy. I don't know which one of y'all pissed off the ocean, but it is not happy right now.
And now for the rematch of the century. Steph versus Bunny, toy claw machine thing. Okay.
Will you tell me if it's good or not?
What's good?
Would have been nice to have some help.
Alright, So we just played some blackjack. Charlie won $35? $35. I lost $1, so not that bad. Colton lost 20. We had a roller coaster of a day, but we'll be back later tonight. Hey Stephanie, you've...
Been gay.
So we took a little 30-minute break and we're about to go play some more blackjack because why not? And just like that, I just lost all my money in about 20 minutes, so don't gamble, kids.
What's my favorite question?
Are you gonna shower answer? What the fuck you doing? Can. That's not a yes or no answer!
You want cannonball onto him though?
I know that would hurt.
Cannonball!
No, because I'm gonna hurt her.
Yeah. Are you gonna shower with me?
I can.
Well, would you?
Do you want me to?
Would you be mad if I said I didn't want you to?
Alright, then no. I'm about to smack both of y'all.
Charlie, what's your ideal type of girl?
Little petite booty.
Petite booty?
Nice curvular figure.
Alright, what else?
Honestly, probably brunette.
Okay, so like, what about like a personality? Does that matter?
Oh no.
Honestly, I'm having a little bit of withdrawal symptoms from social media. I just like want to know what's happening. I want to know what my friends are doing, but it is still nice to not be on my phone all the time. But it's getting to the point now. It's been like 4 days where like I want to be on my phone. So I recently realized that I have not been filming a lot of things that actually happened. It's a lot of me just like this talking with the camera. It's because when we were actually doing things, I usually was not in the frame of mind to be using a camera and to be filming, and I was just focused on other things. So I apologize that I didn't get like a lot of the cool things like backflips in Mexico and like random things that would have made an awesome video, but I'm dumb and I don't know how to make a YouTube channel and like make videos, so I'm sorry that most of this video is just me talking about things that happened. But I'm gonna learn and I'm gonna try to do better and try to get people to film cool things that we do, because we honestly did some pretty cool stuff. So I'm gonna try to do that tonight. Last night on the boat, try to get the best whatever stuff. I don't know.
Natalie Portman. Jessica Simpson. You got it. Mary. It's your. I'm sorry. What time is it? No.
Can I have sex with you?
Can I have sex?
Yeah, it was already a question, but you made it more of a question, and I like that. Last night on the boat, we get off at 9 a.m. tomorrow, waking up at about 8. Right now it is 3:45-ish. So yeah, it's been a good last night on the boat. Had a bunch of friends that we kind of met here who were on the boat. We played cards with them for a while, and then me and another friend kind of just stayed up, explored the boat, talked for a while. They're a really cool person I'm glad I met, and yeah, it's been a fun last night, but right now I'm working with about 4 hours of sleep if I go to sleep now, so probably gonna turn that soon. But thank you all for coming along with this. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I'm not the best YouTuber at all. I probably suck right now, but I'm trying to learn. I'm trying to make like quality stuff that hopefully people enjoy. But also, if you have any ideas, like just comment anything, any feedback you have, like tell me if I suck, which I'm sure I do. Tell me I suck, and tell me how to get better. Tell me what you guys want to see. Tell me what would make you guys want to come back. Like what, like I can do a question and answer video. I can try to do like a collab with like someone from Deep Creek or like someone, I don't know. Just like give me ideas because I don't know what I'm doing yet. But thank you all for coming along. It's been real, and I'll see you whatever my next video is.